going on, guys? TunedUPBassin here. We are out fishing on my new boat here. So took it for a test run here. Plane's out pretty long, so I'm gonna put a little Stingray hydrofoil on there. Hopefully it can plane out a lot quicker, but it does have some hard time starting on the lake, so we'll see how reliable this motor. If it's not reliable, I might just have to change it out to a different motor here, just so that it's more reliable. So that way I know it starts every time. But it does have some hard time starting right now, but it is what it is. I still have my trolling motor, so even if the motor doesn't work, I can always troll my trolling motor there. But we are out today doing some fishing here today for you guys. I haven't been here in quite some time. We are out with two other guys, that No Invite guy and then Ting Outdoors. So we are going to do some fishing here. I think we're doing a little small tournament here as well. But in the meantime, let's see if we catch any fish here today for you guys. There you go. Nice little pike there.
Yeah, dude. That convinced me. That's the fourth time I threw it out here. That's the fourth time. Get him in, get him in, get him in, buddy, get him in. Chatterbait?
No, some bait.
Some bait? Nice. Get him in, get him in, get him in. Okay.
Yes, baby.
So.
Oh, that guy's. Oh, he's good. Yeah, baby.
So are we just weighing it, taking a picture, or are we leaving it, keeping it in a live well?
We're putting a live well.
Okay. Nice.
Show the camera. There you go.
Yeah. It's stuck.
I know, you have to like really lift it up.
No, I mean like this. Just like. Oh, it's like a 2.
Yeah. In a little bit, check the level. Make sure it's still pretty high.
You put it on auto?
No.
Oh, that's a bass. It's a big one. It's a big one.
Just slow down, right? No, I get it.
No. I got it. Move.
My boy.
I told you.
Ooh, let's go.
Dude, when I saw him bite, he jumped out of the fucking lake.
Out of the water.
Dude, look at that. Look.
Oh, dang, he wanted that. Oh.
Just to show you guys. Just to show you guys. He wanted that. Ooh, look at that. It came right off too. It's not,
Yeah.
no, I guess he's not too big. He's alright. Not too big.
Let's go.
Okay, now I'm glad I was stubborn with that fucking bite. I was glad I was being stubborn.
Alright. Not to throw my frog.
Nice. Oh yeah. Wait, is he though?
Yeah, 14 and a half.
Okay. Bitch. My wicked hits ball. If they still buying it and it doesn't affect anything else, it's all good. I just got scoped again. This dude. Man, if I was seeing that shit would have scoped me in the head. This dude dangerous. I'm gonna eat back here.
Let me check the water. Not bad, bro.
It's okay. As long as it hit my shins. Man, I can't believe. Nice. Got one? Bring him in, buddy. Ooh! You need help? You need help?
Yeah. Let's go! Let's go, boy! Let's go! Let's go!
You ate that, dude. You ate that.
Damn!
You ate that.
Oh! Let's go!
Fucking finally, dude. Oh my god.
Oh! Oh
It
my
came
god!
off?
Yeah, barely. Oh my god!
Dude, you were so lucky I got
There you go.
my sandwich. Dude.
Damn!
That's gotta be a 3, dude.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
gotta be a 3.
I need to change my memory card.
Why?
It's getting full. Yeah.
Alright. Spotlight this shit.
GoPro, stop recording.
What is that? Ooh, we soldered it. Oh shit. I don't know what you cast, but hopefully this will help me catch fish. One of us. Watch one of us is steady. Blow! I fucking 5-pounder kid. What is that? Watch out, watch out. I'm gonna both of this bitch. I'm gonna both of this bitch.
Dude, that's a big guy. Hold on.
No, I got it.
Let's fucking go, bro.
What I say? I caught it, right? I caught it. I fucking caught it.
Damn, bro. Woo!
We ain't got
Bro,
no pushes.
right.
Dude,
I'm trying on the frog right now.
Dude, he was not coming off.
Yeah, no.
He was
no.
not coming off. Yo, folks. Oh man, I'm fucking shaking.
Let's weigh that guy.
I'm shaking, guys. Really big one. Big mama. Finally. I fucking caught it, bro.
4, 5, 6.
4.5?
Nope. 4.5.
Sorry. Take a picture real quick.
Oh god damn, boy.
Oh, bro, I need to sit down, bro. I can't believe that this fucking happened. I can't believe that
caught
this
it,
fucking
too.
happened, dude.
Yeah, and you caught it too.
I was like, what'd you cast? Fuck yeah. I'm gonna cry. Watch you 5 pounder. Blow.
Oh, okay.
Record it. Just 2.7. Yeah. Yeah, the small ones and take picture of the big one. Oh, that's my big one, Is it?
Yeah.
The last time we weighed was 4.5. Hopefully it's bigger.
4 pound, 8 ounces. So yeah.
Around, yeah. I already took a picture of that one, so you want to take pictures of 200?
Hell yeah. 3 pound, 2 ounces.
Nice. This one? That one's gotta be at least 2 pounds. Maybe. Maybe we call it this one. 1.14. So it's almost 2 pounds. Almost 2 pounds. Doing my big one and then the 2 3. Oh, those are the 2 3 pounders? Yeah. I was gonna take a sticker like that too.
You want to take pictures of too?
Yes, sir! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I want to take a picture of them too. You want to do that one? You want to take that one or not?
Sure. What was that weight? Or haven't figured out yet.
Oh yeah. Woo!
We're letting these guys go because they're starting to die in a live well, so we don't want them to die. So there we go.
Ooh, he's ready. Yeah, he's ready. What did you get?
I want to see your northern pike. Let me see your pike. Let me see your pike.
2.8.
Second fish. 3.92.
3.92, almost a 4.
You guys only got 4 fish?
Oh, be sure, Stevie.
5.64.
5.64.
Yep, they're 16.5.
Oh,
16. There you go.
just by a little bit.
Yeah.
By a pound. Oh, yeah.
All right,
Beat
guys.
us by 1 pound.
How much did we get?
15.4.
15.4.
Yeah, and they're 16.5.
That's Calvin's big bass. First
Damn,
bass
he's
of the
still
day.
alive and kicking.
That bitch is fucking. She fights, dude.
It's okay.
Chain floating away.
There you go. Second place. Somebody gotta do push up.
Dude, the law you gotta go through 4.8 you heard, but then it's a little
That's
fatter.
Yeah.
Good
I
day
think it's a little
today,
bit
guys.
longer.
We're still gonna fish on. Wind's kicking in. We're still gonna keep fishing.
You got it?
You know, make it work for yourself.
What do you guys want to do?
Oh, we're still gonna fish.
You guys stay for another couple hours?
Yeah.
I don't care, though. I'm just trying to use that shit to go find some crappies, though.
For real.
Alright guys, that is it for today. Me and my buddy Hussein here. We caught a pretty decent bag there. I think 15.4. Yeah, so 15 pound, 4 ounces. So pretty good day out at this lake here. Obviously you guys saw the other guys there, 15, 16, 17 pounds there. So unfortunately we lost, and we're gonna have to do some push-ups, but yeah, it's been an amazing day out today. You know, finally able to take out the boat and just kind of drive it around. The only issue is the motor just doesn't start reliably here, so I might have to get this guy removed and put a different motor on there, just so that I can fish more comfortably here, and the boat's more reliable with that. But other than that, I haven't been uploading any videos recently here, just because I've been working on my boat here, getting everything all finalized and everything. But hopefully you guys will start seeing some more videos coming out, and yeah, so stay tuned for my next video.